Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Okay, fine. Now should the cabin pressure change, full oxygen mask will automatically drop from the panel of seats above you. Remain seated immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place that right yellow mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your heavy elastic strap. Pull on the two loose ends at the front to tighten. Alright, good job. Y'all keep passing them back. Alright, now y'all look up here.